Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel all subscriptions on iPhone web. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to open your browser. You want to search for how to cancel subscriptions on Mac. Okay, then you. Alright, so the first thing that's going to come up is Apple support. So once it loads up, if you have an Apple PC, you want to click on the first link. But if you don't have an Apple PC, maybe you have a Windows, you want to come over here to, if you want to cancel subscription from Apple, okay, then you click on it. All right, as you can see, it says cancel a subscription from Apple. Then you want to click on cancel a subscription. So it's going to redirect us to iTunes. You want to make sure you've installed iTunes on your computer. Then you open iTunes. Alright, so as you can see, our iTunes is open. So this is the first time I'm using it. Alright, so once it opens up like this, for you, if you have a Mac, it's supposed to sign into your account directly. But for you, if you have a Windows PC, you need to sign in to your iTunes. Okay, you just click sign in, you input your Apple ID and your password. Alright, and then you sign in. So up here at the top, you want to click on view my account. Okay, all right, so it's going to show your account. Then you want to scroll down to settings, and then you can see the subscriptions you've done, and then you want to click on manage. So right here, as you can see, subscriptions. So you will just want to click on edit. So once you click on edit, then you can cancel your subscriptions. Okay, so it says if you cancel now, as you can see, cancel subscriptions. If you cancel now, you can still access your subscription. So if you gained something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel.